Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display. Then scroll down, click on Font Size and Style, and swipe left or right on Font Size slider in order to adjust it. You can check out Preview above. So when I do that and go back, I can see that the size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!